We are still in January and it has already begun. We have got some really exciting new things happening with the store and arriving in the store. So, to see more, make sure you stick around to the end of the video. As I keep saying, we are a community-led store, so we've got loads of ride-outs, product tests, loads and loads of stuff going on. If you want to be involved in it and get some exclusive deals that are only there for our followers, then make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, let us know what you like, what you'd like to see, what you'd like to take part in. If you'd like to do a ride out with us or something like that, leave it in the comments and we will make sure we get onto it. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We have got a page on Facebook and Instagram for each of our stores because we all run different events, different ride outs. So if you are local to, say, the Derbyshire store, follow Derbyshire on Facebook and you will see any future ride outs or any new kit that arrives in their store. So I thought I would come down through via Stockport and go up the A6 to get into work. And I thought I'd come down here and have a quick look around because this, at the back of Tesco's here, was where the floods happened. So Mersey River, which is over there, broke its banks, flooded all of this. This is the mill where people were trapped in. Everyone was coming, taking photos and videos because you could see, basically you could see cars floating around down here. And look at it now, it's still a bit mucky, but I guess they're doing a lot of work to repair all this. You can see them cleaning up the car park there, trying to clear all that sludge. And Mersey, the reason this mill is here, along with quite a few other mills that are still here and some that have gone, this was a big cotton producing industry place down here, and hat making was very popular in Stockport. So there was a lot of mills, a lot of them powered by, before steam engine, before the Industrial Revolution, were powered by the River Mersey. They had water wheels in, and that's why they're so close to the river. So that is why when that river broke its banks, it flooded that mill, unfortunately for everyone who lives in it. And just across from the mill is a very well-known dogging site, believe it or not, or so I've been told anyway. I don't know, I've never been, but yeah, there's a dogging car park across the road from that, which does not surprise me at all. Today we're going to talk about some new kit. We have already got a 2025 range starting to arrive in store. Some really exciting bits, and a lot of the time with these new kits, you have to wait for them to arrive, but these have actually arrived in decent time, to be honest. It's not bad timing at all. And it's RST who've done us proud. We've also got a new AGV helmet landed, and it's not the K7 I've been testing. We're still waiting for those. We've got a little bit of a wait left. I think they're on the boat, so they say. That's a terminology for they'll arrive any time in the next 6 months. They're on the boat. But the Street Modular has arrived. So this is AGV's affordable flip front modular helmet with a flip down internal visor, polycarbonate shell. You know, by no means it is no comparison with the Tour Modular. The Tour Modular is, in my opinion, the Tour Modular is the best flip front helmet if you don't want to look like you're wearing a flip front helmet. By far the best. It looks like a normal helmet, it weighs like a normal helmet, and it's got all the advantages that the other modulars have with built-in comms and all that if you go for the Cardo inside. So the Street Modular isn't that, it's an affordable version, and because of that you're getting a little bit more weight, but the price is way down on what the Tour Modular is. So yes, if you're looking for a cheap modular helmet, come and have a look at the new AGV Street Mod. Apologies for not doing our weekend waffle last week. So I was away at an event and I was planning on doing a short live or a short reel just to explain that I wasn't going to be able to put one out, but It was even tricky doing that, so unfortunately I kind of missed the opportunity to do that. So yeah, apologies for anyone who was looking for our vlog last week. There was no vlog. We're going to try and get up to the Leeds shop soon, so we're going to go up to Leeds. They're going to let us have a go on one of their bikes, I think. We're going to take it out for a test ride, because Leeds is the one shop out of the three MyMotos. Leeds is the one that sells used bikes. They have some new bikes, so they have Kimco, and they also do servicing. If you're looking for a used bike, or you're looking to get your bike serviced and you're in the Leeds area, then head over to our MyMoto store. Go and see David and his team, and they'll help you out. They've also got an excellent range of bike kit up there as well, so go and see Ellie. If you're looking for any bike kit, she'll help get you kitted out with that. And as soon as this weather starts looking like it's becoming a bit more agreeable, and we can predict a good day, then we're going to do our Run to the Hills event again, which was our ride out from Yonderman over to our Derbyshire store. But we were talking about maybe having it as a curry event, so having it in the afternoon, and then you stay, have a curry and some naan or whatever. So if you'd be interested in doing a ride out round Derbyshire and then having a curry afterwards with Teresa and the team there, and obviously I'll be joining in, then just leave it in the comments and we'll see if we can get that sorted for you. Did you see that? Look at this, watch. If I accelerate, this is what I talk about with the head shaking caused by the top box on this. See the handlebars? That's what it does, and as soon as you take the top box off, it's fine. It doesn't do it. It's very strange. But yeah, you got to keep your hands on the bars, make sure it stays steady to stop that happening when the top box is on. Now they're talking about in Manchester doing a 20-mile-an-hour zone in certain areas, certain built-up areas, because of the amount of bicycle incidents. Now, I can guarantee you they're not normal bicycles. They'll be the electric bikes, and I guarantee most of them are doing deliveries, because Deliveroo bikes around Manchester are everywhere. And not only that, most of them have been hacked, so they have a throttle, you don't have to pedal them to make them go. And I've had them overtake me down Hyde Road. I've been doing 30 mile an hour and they've come past me going at least 35-40 without pedaling. No helmets, all dressed in black with balaclavas and stuff to keep themselves warm. So there's no wonder there's a lot of bicycle incidents. But I think the problem isn't the traffic, it's these electric bikes. They need to just make them, kind of regulate them better, I think. You know, if they are doing over 30 mile an hour and they have been hacked, as it were, they should have a license and they should be wearing a crash helmet, and then you're going to see, okay, you might still get the odd incident, but less likely to get a fatality if they're wearing the proper protective kit. And as you've seen at our shop, you know, it doesn't cost that much for a helmet. We've currently got the K1s on sale for £99.99. That's like £180 helmet, some of those, for £99.99. Hopefully you enjoyed our weekend waffle. Please like, subscribe and leave us a comment. As an example, we had a follower leave us a comment saying that they hadn't seen anyone test the Mutt DRK motorcycle, and would we be able to do a test of one. So literally within a week, I've been on to Mutt motorcycles. They're more than willing to have us test one of the DRK motorcycles for them. So we're going to do that, so our follower can see what they've asked for. So here we are at the shop. Let me take you inside and have a look at some of the new kit we've got. Okay, so first of all, what we've done, if you come and have a look at our helmet section, we've now got all of these brand new stands. So this has got a lot bigger, and the reason for that is because we've got a lot of exciting stuff arriving this year, especially some of the graphics coming out from Arai look absolutely outstanding. Some legendary graphics like the Kaczynski helmet, loads and loads of really cool stuff, so make sure you keep dropping in to see those. What Arai's doing this year is they're going to release graphics throughout the year rather than all at the start of the year, so we're going to see new designs arriving regularly. I'll make sure we get those photographed and onto our social media for you to see. This is one of the other new products, one of the other new 2025 products that we've got landing from RST. This is the V4.1. So it's the same V4.1 that we had in the black and white, but now they've done it in the white with the red and black accents. It's an awesome leather suit. It's the same suit that you'll see the British Superbike riders, TT riders, and even World Superbike riders wearing. It's got the in-motion airbags, same as what they have. The only difference between this suit and theirs is they have some slight tailoring to make sure it fits them perfectly, and the graphics obviously are all printed and the sponsors are added on. But other than that, the construction of the suit, this kangaroo leather and cowhide on the shoulders and arms and knees, it's the same as what the racers have. So awesome suit, and that is just £1,999 for that suit. Now, some of the other cool stuff we've had arrive. Let's have a look at the AGV Street Modular. So here we go, we've got the brand new AGV Street Modular that's just arrived in store. So this is AGV's affordable flip front helmet, polycarbonate construction. Not a match for the Tour Modular, but a much cheaper price point for anyone who can't stretch to that level. So these are brand new in. Make sure you come down, have a look if you're interested. But yeah, that is a very good, affordable modular helmet. Now, the other new thing we've got in. So we've seen, last year we had the ladies' track tech leathers. So we've got these in this cool purple and like teal design, but we never had anything to go with it. So what RST have done is finally released a ladies' track tech glove. So these are coming in smaller sizes, and they've done them in the two colours to match the leathers. So awesome set of gloves. Other than that, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave us a comment, and then if you look near the shop, come down and see this jolly bunch over here. Until next time, ride safe.